Hi, this is Tom. I will show you how to expand your disk in Ubuntu virtual machine. First you need to expand the disk in your hypervisor. This is VMware Workstation Player. You can use VirtualBox or something else. So I have 20 gigs and I want 40 of them. As you can see, there is a note: expand increases only the size of virtual disk. Sizes of partitions and file systems are not affected. Alright, that's the easy part. Now we have to expand it in operating system. That is the tricky part. Log in into your virtual machine and launch the terminal. Now we need to install gparted software. It's pretty easy. And now we can launch it. Alright. You can see the 20 gigs we added in hypervisor here and here. We will just extend this main biggest partition, right click, resize, and all the way up. Okay. Right, there is nothing left. Oh, I'm stupid. You can do it. You can do it this way. Resize, and that's it. Oh no, that's not it. Let's wait. Oh, we have to click this button. Apply all operations. Are you sure you want to apply the pending operations? Apply. Alright, that looks good. Close. And as you can see, this partition has almost 40 gigs. That's what we wanted. Exit, exit, and goodbye.